English is a rich and diverse language spoken by millions of people worldwide. It is an essential medium of communication and a global lingua franca, widely used for business, education, and entertainment. Here's a brief overview of the English language. 1. Origin. English originated in early medieval England, evolving from the Germanic languages brought by Anglo-Saxon settlers. 2. Development. Over centuries, it has absorbed vocabulary and influences from Latin, French, Norse, and many other languages. 3. Grammar. English grammar is relatively flexible and can be both simple and complex, with a vast array of tenses and syntactic structures. 4. Dialects. There are numerous dialects and accents, reflecting the cultural diversity of its speakers. These range from British and American English to Australian, Indian, and many others. 5. Global influence. English is the primary language of international communication, science, literature, and technology. Whether you're just starting to learn English or are already fluent, there is always something new and fascinating to discover about this dynamic language.